Hey everybody, it's Greg here. So I just want to make a quick video on a front load washer. Now this doesn't have the clean out part, the clean out for the filter. It doesn't have it on these guys. It's the filter and everything is all inside. You have to access it from the back. But there's a couple other things I want to kind of point out about the door boot, the soap dispenser, and this front door glass. So maybe I'll take you a little closer to this door boot and I'll show you what's going on. Okay, so we're a heck of a lot closer. Anyway, this is the bottom of the boot right here. So all that water just sits there and gets, moldy and stuff like that. And it's because of these little drain holes right here. There's 5 of them on this guy. So those get plugged up with just soap and whatever else, hair and stuff like that. So you want to make sure that those stay clear. You can pick at them and dig them out. You can use like a pair of tweezers or something like that and pick the hair and stuff out of there. But you have to be really careful though, because you do not want to poke through the boot, because then you're going to need a new boot, because it'll be leaking all over the place. So be careful when you're cleaning these out, because you don't want that much of a pain, because that's about a $300 or so dollar boot. So we definitely don't want that. So I'll take you up to the soap dispenser here. All right, so for the soap dispenser, you can take this whole piece out. I don't know if anybody knows this or not, but see on this guy, it actually gives you a little, looks exactly like a button, like a thumbprint kind of thing, and it says push on it. So it'll give you that on just about every machine out there, but it's so far back that you usually can't see it. So you just push that in and then pull the whole assembly out. And then you can take the whole assembly to the sink or whatever. But just straighten you guys out here a little bit. So these little cups that are in here, these all will pop out on most machines. I can't say every machine, but these pop out. And you can clean, all this inside of here. This is usually pretty gunked up. I've already cleaned this one, so it you don't really, see what what I've seen before when I was here. But yeah, there's a bunch of little spots in here that can be cleaned out. Just use something like a toothbrush or whatever, and warm water, soap, and that would be easy enough. When you're putting it back in, let me just show you. So when you're putting it back in, there is little rails. See right there? The sides of the soap dispenser have to go up on those rails. I didn't think it was possible to put it in wrong, but I've seen it in the past where people have managed to get this thing back in there, and it wasn't in right. And I don't know how they did it, but anyway, they couldn't slide the soap dispenser back out once they put it in. You'll know if it's in. Everything will be flush and it'll be nice like it was before. So that guy. Now the front door glass, I'll show you. Okay, so we're now underneath the actual door. What you want to watch, and you can see actually a little bit here, is hair and calcium. Anything that breaks down out of water will end up right on this glass here. And this glass has to make a seal against that front rubber. If it can't make a really good seal, it will leak. So even if there's a piece of hair or something on this glass, you'll probably get a leak down the front of your machine. If it has a whole bunch of calcium and things like that on it, you can use something, you know, maybe a little stronger to break down, like CLR or something like that. But I want to have a rag nearby that you can wipe down the whole, I don't know, maybe bottom half of this glass, especially right at the very bottom of it. Just get any of the hair and crap off there before it has time to set in and becomes an actual problem. So that's about it for the glass. Okay, so that was all I wanted to cover on this guy. It's just some cleaning tips that everybody should be doing on pretty much any front load machine. Maybe I'll put a link to that other video where I had cleaned out the filter, and you can kind of get both sides of it. So anyway, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys want to see, whether you like the video or not, of course, and hit that subscribe button. That helps out a lot. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.